Hello, young scholars. Welcome to today's class. Today, we'll be talking about forms of energy. Forms of energy. So, what is energy? Energy is the ability to do work or make things happen. Energy is the ability to do work or make things happen. So, what are the forms of energy? What are the forms of energy? Where do we get energy from? So, we have light. Light energy. So light energy is the energy that comes from the light. It's the energy that makes things visible, bright. For example, the sun, a lamp, and candle. So let's move on to the next. So we have another type of energy, electrical energy. Electrical energy is a form of energy that powers things like light, computer, etc. So it works like magic that makes things work. It works like what? Magic. But it is not magic. We use electrical energy every day and it's all around us. So use electric energy for your light, your computer, use electric energy for your cooker, your electric cooker, use electric energy to charge your phone and all that. So let's move on. We have another form of energy, which is sound energy. Sound what? Energy. So, sound energy is the energy that we hear. It is the energy that we do what? We hear. So, for example, music, voices, animal noise, car horn, etc. They are sound energy. So, sound energy is all around us. Sound energy is all around us. We use it to communicate, express ourselves, and enjoy music. So, sound energy is the energy that we hear. So, let's move on. Kinetic energy. So, kinetic energy is the energy of motion. It is the energy that an object has when it is moving, like a rolling ball, a running child, a flying aeroplane, a spinning top. So, etc. We have so many like that. So, it is the energy that makes things move. So, any energy that makes things move, it is kinetic energy. So, in conclusion, energy is the ability to do work. We have so many forms of energy, but I mentioned few. So, now you now know what energy is. Thank you for listening. Thank you for joining the class. Mwah.